So what is going on in here?
We're taking it to Elliot.
They are doing a full physical on Elliot. And he's allowing it. He's the best dog that ever lived.
So we go to the doctor.
Yep, they've looked in his eyes. They were really quiet, and I was wondering what they were doing. They're taking his temperature. Okay, Clark took his temperature. Ben is listening to his head. I don't know why they're listening to his head, not his heart. Oh, he just got a shot. Okay, just got a shot. Okay. Ben, where's his heart? Isn't it in his chest? Will he let you take his chest? There we go. Ben is listening to his chest. You hear his heart?
Yeah.
Couldn't be a better dog on the planet. Okay. Elliot, good boy. Okay. So Clark is now be careful. Ben is looking in his eye. Just be real careful. Those are really big ears. Okay. You're looking saying, "Rescue me, Mom." Clark is go ahead, Clark, take his blood pressure with his arm. His arm, not his face. Do it like you were doing. His arm. Lift up his arm. There we go.
Mommy, can you wrap it up?
Uh-huh. Clark can do it.
Me too.
There we go. So how is he by your estimate? Is he doing good? It's okay, El.
I think it's okay.
So he's having his blood pressure taken by his brothers. And he's decided to lick himself during the whole process because he cares so much.
All done.
All done?
Yep. Yeah, okay.
Clark is looking in his ears.
There we go.
There we go. Did he get a full physical?
Mommy, show me how.
Oh, he got another shot. Okay, that's good enough. You can do. It's hard to do it on a doggy's arm. It's easier to do it on Mommy's arm. And in the middle of all this, what does he do?
Sure.
He goes to sleep. Yeah, that's the scary pit bull.
Oh. He's awake.
He's awake now. I'm telling you, the best dog on the planet. This is why he will always have a home. He's earned it.
Mommy, show me how.
Not only because I love him, but he's earned it. Okay, that's enough. Let me come help you. Oh, Clark gave him some sugar. Can you give him some sugar, Ben? There we go.